Our Mad Science Friday finales are sponsored by Dodge City Paintball. We're closing out the week, heading back to the Mad Science Lab. Not only can science bond friendships, but you can get your arts and crafts on too. Take a look.
Yes, we are the dogs of science.
Woof woof.
Happy to be back on Living Oklahoma once again. It is springtime.
Oh, yes it is. Wait.
Yeah, there you go. And the difference between this spring and last spring is many of us can go out and actually hang out with our friends again.
Woo!
Right. Hey, have you ever taken like Shadow out for a run or a walk and met with some of your friends and stuff like that? Yeah.
If you don't know, Shadow is my dog.
Shadow is his dog. Yes.
The dog.
The dog has a dog. What a dog. Okay, so check this out. Check this out. So when he comes back in from running, you ever notice those like burrs that are stuck in his coat?
Yeah, it's like a little ball, and then it comes up, and then it's like hooked.
Yeah. Okay. Now, we were talking the other day about biomimicry, which is science where people have looked at things in nature and said, hey, I can use that in my life to make life better.
Exactly.
And there was a guy.
Mirror.
There was a guy, giant mirror. There you go. There was a guy who saw the cockleburs in his dog's coat, and he said, you know, that's just made a seed with hooks in it, and it was hard to get out. So he came up with this idea of hooks on one side and loops on the other side, and he called it Velcro. That's how Velcro was invented. So what we're going to do is make friendship bracelets to show that we're out with our friends. And we're going to use Velcro to hook them together, okay? So I'm going to roll this out like this, okay? And you want it to be long enough. That's a little bit too long probably, but that's okay. We can cut it off. Okay, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this because we don't want it to stick to you, and we're going to fold it over a little bit. And then again, like that, okay? So now there is none of the tape sticking out there. And then I'm going to take a little piece of Velcro.
Oh, that's what that was. Remember when we had Velcro?
And here's the thing. One of these sides has hooks and one has loops. So I'm just peeled it off like that, and watch this. I'm going to put it right there like that. See what I did?
So I'm guessing
Miles, see what I did? Okay. I peeled that paper off.
Oh, there's stickers on it.
Yeah. And then watch this. I'm going to hook it around like this. And put it just like that, okay?
Oh,
now,
it's even stickier than the bucket. How?
I can put that right there. And then I just hook it on, and there I have made a bracelet. And it's going to stick on because of that Velcro. Okay? And all this is sticking together because somebody looked at nature and said, we can mimic what's happening in the biological right now. And there we go. From the Dogs of Science, your own friendship bracelet made with duct tape and Velcro. Can't wait to see you next time right here
at the Dogs of Science.
Woof woof on Living Oklahoma.
Woof woof.
I mean, it only makes sense. Friends who do science together stay friends forever, right? Well, we'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday experiment. And you can also visit okcmadscience.org for more